Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech free prostate specific antigen test kit, which is f-PSA ELISA test kit. You can see that this is from US. I can just show you around the box just to show you again the name. It's free prostate specific antigen ELISA test kit. You can see the reference number and the manufacturing date and the expiry date. You can see the package contents, portable plates, control set, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, and then you got the stop solution, substrate, and COA is also given. So you can see this box around. I'm going to unbox this for you. You can see there is one IFU brochure. The IFU brochure, you can see that Calbiotech free prostate specific antigen f-PSA ELISA test kit. The Calbiotech PSA ELISA kit is used for the quantitative measurement of f-PSA in human serum. You can see that this IFU brochure has all the contents and the sample preparation and the procedure and how to interpret your results. You have the complete details to conduct this test. It's here. And then you got here you see, then you get a certificate of analysis. You can see this here. It also tells you the key contents inside. You can see this here. It says the microbial coated with streptavidin, standard 126 and anti-PSA conjugate reagent 1 bottle, TMB substrate 1 bottle, and stop solution 1 bottle, and wash concentrate 1 bottle. Actually, you can see that there is one certificate of analysis is here. Just keeping this here, and then you can see there's a 96 plate. You can see this is streptavidin coated wells. You see the reference part number, lot number, and the expiry. And then you have the different liquids here. Let me show one by one. You can see it is wash concentrate 20x, 25 ml. Bring it back. Then you got the brown one, which is the TMB substrate 12 ml. You can see this here. Conjugate reagent 12 ml. Then you get stop solution 12 ml. You can see this. Then the PSA standard we can see. This is clear. You can see the PSA standard 1. So you get the pan standard 1. This should be standard 2. You can see this. Standard 2. So you have the standard 3. Standard 3. Standard 4. Let's see the standard 4. Standard 5. And standard 6. Okay, I'm putting it back. Okay. Just to quickly summarize here, today we have seen the unboxing of Calbiotech free prostate specific antigen ELISA test kit. In the 96 well plate test kit, you in the box you get one IFU brochure, one certificate analysis, one 96 well coated plate. I'll just keep it here. 96 coated plate. You see this here, and then the different reagents actually. This is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you.